Hello, friends. Welcome back to the podcast. Last week we had talked about mindfulness, and I had mentioned about body scan. So we're going to do body scan today. Some of the benefits of of body scans that it improves your awareness. It helps you to reduce stress. Helps with better sleep. Uh, and some research it also shows. It helps coping with the pain a little bit better, uh, improves focus, increase self-compassion and gratitude. And so the body scan should can be done sitting or laying down. Uh, I do recommend laying down, especially maybe around bedtime, uh, s- because it can also kind of help you to fall asleep and stuff. So let's go ahead and start that. Just I'll give you some time to get to relax and just get into position. You can grab a blanket if you need to. Just make yourself as comfortable as you possibly can. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and begin. Begin by making yourself comfortable. Sit in a chair and allow your back to be straight, but not stiff. With your feet on the ground, you could also do this practice laying down if you prefer. Your hands could be resting gently in your lap or at your side. Allow your eyes to close or to remain open with a soft gaze. However you feel comfortable in this moment. Take several long, slow, deep breaths, breathing in fully and exhaling slowly. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose or mouth. Feel your stomach expand on an inhale and relax and let go as you exhale. Begin to let go of noises around you. Begin to shift your attention from outside to inside yourself. If you are distracted by sounds in the room, simply notice and bring your focus back to your breathing. Now slowly bring your attention down to your feet. Begin observing sensations in your feet. You might want to wiggle your toes a little, feeling your toes against your socks or shoes. Or maybe your feet are on the floor. You can feel the floor. Just notice without any judgments. You might imagine sending your breath down to your feet as if the breath is traveling through the nose to the lungs and through abdomen, all the way down to your feet, and then back up again through your nose and lungs. Perhaps you don't feel anything at all, and that's fine too. Just allow yourself to feel the sensations of not feeling anything. When you are ready, allow your feet to dissolve in your mind's eye and move your attention up to your ankles, calves, knees, and thighs. Observe the sensations you are experiencing throughout your legs. Breathe into and breathe out of the legs. If your mind begins to wander during this exercise, Gently notice this without judgment and bring your mind back to noticing the sensations in your legs. If you notice any discomfort, pain, or stiffness, don't judge this. Just simply notice it. Observe how all sensations rise and fall, shift and change, moment to moment. Notice how no sensation is permanent. Just observe and allow the sensations to be in the moment just as they are, and breathe into and out from the legs. Then on the next out breath, allow the legs to dissolve in your mind and move the sensations in your lower back and pelvis, softening and releasing as you breathe in and out. Slowly move your attention up to your mid back and upper back. Become curious about the sensations here. You may become aware of sensations in the muscle, temperature, or point of contact with furniture or the bed. With each out breath, you may let go of tension you're carrying, and then softly, gently shift your focus to your stomach and all the internal organs here. Perhaps you notice the feeling of clothing, the process of digestion, or the belly rising or falling with each breath. If you notice opinions arising about these areas, gently let go and return to noticing sensations. As you continue to breathe, bring the awareness to the chest and heart region and just notice your heartbeat. Observe how the chest rises during the inhale, how the chest falls during the exhale. Let go of any judgments that may arise. On the next out breath, shift the focus to your hands and fingertips. See if you can channel your breathing into and out of this area as if you are breathing into and out from your hands. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sensations in your hands. And then on the next out breath, shift the focus and bring your awareness up into your arms. Observe the sensations or lack of sensations that may be occurring there. You might notice some difference between the left arm and the right arm, but no need to judge this. As you exhale, you may experience the arm soften and release tensions. Continue to breathe and shift focus to the neck, shoulder, and throat region. This is an area where we often have tension. Be with the sensations here. It could be tightness rigidity, or holding. You may notice the shoulders moving along with the breath. Let go of any thoughts or stories you're telling about this area. As you breathe, you may feel tension rolling off your shoulders. On the next out breath, shift your focus and direct your attention to the scalp, head, and face. Observe all the sensations occurring there. Notice the movement of the air as you breathe into or out of the nostrils or mouth. As you exhale, you might notice the softening of any tensions you may be holding. And now, let your attention to expand out to include the entire body as a whole. Bring into your awareness the top of your head down to the bottom of your toes. Feel the gentle rhythm of the breath as they move through the body. As you come to the end of this practice, take a full deep breath, taking in all the energy of this practice. Exhale fully, and when you're ready, open your eyes and return your attention to the present moment. As you become fully alert and awake, consider seeing the intentions that this practice of building awareness will benefit everyone you come in contact with. So this concludes our body scan practice. So body scan can actually go longer. You can actually focus on each part of your body, like kind of divide it into the whole legs, the whole back and the chest area and everything. So you can go from your legs, from your toes to your calves to your thighs, and also just go through each body part like that. So if you like to try that, but yeah, it can take between 30 minutes to 40 minutes. But yeah, so we'll talk next week, and thank you for listening.